enemy is doing his test right now.
Don't forget to like, favourite and subscribe.
Good morning, Insomnia!
Hello from Insomnia. This is my first featherweight competition, so this is truly testing the crab properly. So, first fight was against Aegis Mark II and Shrapnel. Shrapnel last year gained the reputation of being one of the worst vertical spinners out there.
We've got, I'm going to try this one, Crabsolutely Clawful.
Amazing.
Wow.
Amazing. Crabsolutely Clawful, I hope I'm saying that right.
Crabsolutely Clawful.
Crabsolutely Clawful is a horizontal grabber powered by linear actuator. And these guys are from Bristol, and their team name is Bristol Butt Builders.
No.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Shrapnel for the win. If he can get his spinner up, Aegis is going in. Oh, watch out, Crabtastic. Oh, Shrapnel's struggling with control. Oh, wait for it. Hang on.
Turn into a ball.
Look at that crab take on Shrapnel.
Like a brief crab.
Crabsolutely Clawful has got this. Oh, the pit's gone already. Oh! Destruction.
Crab's out.
That's a crab out. Oh! And that's why they nearly killed me last year. Crabsolutely Clawful, well, looks a little bit damaged. Actually, the damage on Crabsolutely Clawful was just due to the safety pin coming out.
You took on this guy.
Yeah, I didn't want to back down. My heart was also going crazy in there. That was amazing. Thank you for making me fly. That was beautiful.
It was very eventful.
For some reason, I just got so excited to be facing such a terrifying spinner that I just ran straight at him and kept going forward first, tried to give him a hug. Lasted for a few seconds, and then he flicked me up on the side, beached against the sidewall, and then he hit my back belly and flung me out, and my link popped out. So I went back to the pits and had a look, and I thought I'd lost some electronics or something, but no, all the electronics were working, just the link popped out. But here, as you can see, a massive hole in the chassis of the robot. So I had to remount the motor that had split in parts, re-bent back some of the chassis, and I was good to go for my second fight, surprisingly. Hey, Scott's here.
I am here.
It's day 2, we've got our second fight, and it's against a grabber and a lifter, so no spinners this time.
Not today.
And the robot's all good to go. It's only 11 o'clock, our fight's not till 2 o'clock, so we're just having a little browse of the floor. Spinner-free second day. I had Bane and Aegis Mark I this time.
3, 2, 1, begin.
Crabtastic's going straight out. He's got a cluster bomb. Aegis is out there. Taking on Bane. Bane's going to go flip. Bane's just getting mugged. Bane's getting mugged up.
Leave it.
Oh, Aegis is going to get stuck into the barrier. Crabtastic's got the grip on Bane. Can't quite hold it. Oh no!
Oh no!
No, Crab is stuck. Aegis is going to help him out there. Almost. Bane is getting out of the way. This is all out of control. I'm surprised.
Hanging on to your life.
See, what we want Aegis to put the little crab on the fly.
3, 2, 1, ceasefire.
So an interesting fight, that one. Aegis seemed to roll the roost most of the way.
I've got a stack of robots here now. Oh, it's so cute and tiny, isn't it? What happened to Crabsolutely Clawful? Got pinned pretty badly there and spent half of the match trying to get free.
Yeah, I've got to give a big shout out to Rory here. He really tried to get me out there. He wanted a full fight for all of us. So very sportsmanlike. I had a lot of fun though, and you drove very well. Well done.
And did you want to try and keep the fight going? Because obviously a few sticky spots were happening for these guys.
Yeah, I mean, I love the crab, and I really like Bane as well. There's not many front-hinged lifters in this competition. I really did try to get the crab down. But the thing is, Bane was so much hard work trying to get around it. I couldn't spend all fight trying to do that. So, I mean, well done to both of you. It was amazing.
It was a fun play, so well done. Well done. And this guy's really cool. Thank you.
So this is 2 third places out of 3. The main thing we did against Get Shrek was add a bunch of sacrificial armor. We're still almost 5 kilograms low. We're over 5 kilograms underweight. Day 3. Against the other vertical spinner that everyone fears, Get Shrek's green vertical spinner, and also Utopia, last year's 4th place flipper, but this year in bits, so it was sort of a bodged together box.
3, 2.
Here we go. Crabsolutely Clawful, Get Shrek, and Utopia. Utopia goes straight to Get Shrek. He's going to take some damage. Give out the damage at least. Crabsolutely Clawful sticking in there. Crabs are designed to grab a robot and pull them around the arena. Utopia is keeping it well out of the way of Get Shrek. Now, if that flipper had worked then, that would have been interesting. Utopia is stuck. Absolutely Clawful is proper doing its job, but it's got hold of him. Not letting go. I've got you. Oh, there we go. There's the spinner of Get Shrek back up to speed. Absolutely Clawful's got to be careful.
Post the freeze!
Absolutely Clawful is taking the hits. Head out of. I tell you what, Absolutely Clawful's not letting go. Oh! I hope he didn't need that piece. Just a bit more damage, please, if you don't mind. Get Shrek. Absolutely Clawful stuck on the arena wall. Are those your parts or the other Roboteers parts? This is some Crab. And are you the owner of Crab?
I am, yeah.
A bit disappointed?
No, I'm thrilled. That's the first fight I didn't come last in. And I lasted for a good 20 seconds with the ogre, so I'm thrilled. Yeah.
And you were generally grabbing him and pulling him around the arena?
That's the aim. I gave it a good hug. I just want to hug every other Roboteer there, so...
It was my turn to face Shrek, and I ran straight at him, head on. And took the hit, surprisingly. Managed to get a grab around him, was riding around on Get Shrek, and eventually at some points had him pushing around. We added an extra 10 mil layer of armour that would just fling off and meant that we could keep going a lot longer. Eventually he beached me up on a wall and that was it for Crab, but hey, I wasn't last for once, so that's something new, which is nice. It's been an amazing weekend. I had to do too many repairs. Main electronics and drivers all stayed the same throughout, which is amazing. It's only been armour.
So am I going to see Crabtastic and Nelly the Edibot in a white battle?
I'm so ready for that. Nelly said she's up for it, so I'm up for it. If you can think of another animal for the third bot, let's get an animal party in that arena.
Do we need 3? We can put more in there, can't we? Let's get all the animals in there.
Let's do it.